This series of videos demonstrates the step-by-step exercises which are included in each Parabuild installation, including the free trial version. In this exercise we'll assign phases to some parts, and then we'll generate only the shop drawings of a particular phase. From the top menu, open the Modify Properties window. Then select the ladder using a left to right frame. Then click in the top of the Properties window on All to open the list of selected objects, and then select Member from the list of objects and search for the property Phase, then modify its value to 2. Then select Bolt from the list of objects and again modify the Phase property to read 2. Using this method, it's very easy to change the properties of individual parts. By default, all new parts are allocated Phase 1, but if you wish, this value can be changed at any time in the General Settings dialog. We will now generate the workshop drawings. Open the Sheets Manager and click on the Generate button, then select Generate Position and Assembly Sheets. From the Revision Alert window, click on Continue without locking. And when you're prompted to select 3D objects to generate, choose from the Objects to be Treated drop-down, Phase, then select one and press OK. You can see the progress of the sheet generation in the Sheets Manager, and here you can stop this process at any time by pressing and holding the Escape key. After a while, the generated sheets for Phase 1 are shown in the Sheets Manager. We'll now generate the sheets for Phase 2. Here we'll repeat the same process as before. From the Sheets Manager, click on the Generate and then select Generate Position and Assembly Sheets. From the Revision Alert window, again click on Continue without locking, and from the Objects to be Treated drop-down, select Phase, then enter 2 and press OK. You'll notice that Parabuild adds the phase number to the name of each sheet. This allows you to print the sheets when the production has to be done in phases. It is possible that, for example, position number PR1 exists in both Phase 1 and in Phase 2, in which case 2 sheets will be created for the same part, PR1. We will now display a slideshow of generated sheets. From the Sheets Manager, click on the Export button and select Slideshow of Sheets. In the slideshow window, enter the number of seconds between each displayed sheet and press OK. The slideshow will begin with the sheets being displayed at the selected intervals. You can stop this process at any time by clicking the Stop button in the Sheets Manager. We'll now look at printing the sheets. From the Sheets Manager, click on the Export button and select Print All Sheets. This will open the Print Settings for Format A4 window. In this example, we'll choose the printer PDF PC3, but you can choose any printer from the drop-down list. Choose for the format A4 and press OK, and the PDF files will be generated. Once done, the Print Settings for Format A3 window will open. Select the printer as before and choose for the format A3, then click on OK. The PDF files will be stored in the same destination folder as the drawing. And Parabuild will remember the printer settings for each format and will ask you for the settings just once per format. Whether the PDF files are opened automatically or not is dependent on the settings in the Plotter Manager. There are other exercises with each Parabuild installation, and if you'd like to try these yourself, there's a free Parabuild trial available on our website.